Today, guys, I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. It's a game where the title literally says Don't Press the Button, but people in the game press the button and something happens. Like this. Fire the most amount of fireworks. Fire the most amount of I have nothing. What? I don't know how. Wait, there's a firework over there. It says firework. There's a firework. Okay. I got one. Okay. So it looks like I have to find all the fireworks. I found two. Okay. Okay. Oh, I thought that was a fire. That was a glowy gak. What did I just say? That was a glowy gak. Why can't I talk, bro? Sam I'm not even gonna try to say it, ma'am. Okay. Watch out for the raining bombs. Raining bombs. What the? No, I don't want to get exploded by bombs. Maybe if I stay here, I'll be. Wait a minute. Oh, no. Maybe if I stay here, I'll be fine. Right? Never mind. Never mind. I thought staying in one place would help you save the bombs, bro. What did I just say again? Would help you save the bombs, bro.
Stop it.
Okay, why can't I not talk? I cannot talk at all. I cannot talk at all, bro. I cannot talk at all. Wait. Let's jump in space. Do do do. No, no, no. We're not in space. We're just dying. We're on the moon. Stand out of the fires. Wait, okay, that's stand clear out of the fires. What does it mean by that? What does it mean by that? What do you mean stand clear of the fires? Oh my gosh. Oh. Someone died. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, stop. Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my Okay, the remaining is me and this other girl. Which her name is Cherry. Oh, two players survived, which was me and this girl. Okay, press the button. Get ready. Remaining. Whoa! 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 Oh, I just killed! Oh my gosh, Okay, replay that. Oh! 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 I just killed someone, and someone killed me back. That was like the most crazy double kill ever. Oh, and someone got killed. Dazed one. Do. Press the button. Stay clear out of the moving platforms. Okay. Which one will be the moving platforms? Maybe I'll go to like this one. Oh! One of them got moved. Oh my gosh. Wait, I think it's coming like this way. Oh my gosh! So if you see the block shaking, that means you have to stay out of the way. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh! Get out the way. Okay, luckily it's not going for this block. Never mind, it's going for that block. Stay clear. Oh my gosh, this is getting intense. Wait, what? Wait, what? No, I died. Oh, and she died. Nobody won. Get ready. We have to get to the bottom. We have to get to the bottom without dying from these spikes and dangerous stuff and all that. So whatever we just do not touch anything. Oh my gosh, someone died from the spike. no! Someone died from there. Okay, this is gonna be really hard. Cause I have to get like between these. Oh, never mind. Oh my gosh, someone died. Someone died. Someone died. Someone died. Get to the bottom. I don't know if we have to touch the spinner or not. I want to stay out of the spinner, because if we do, then we die. Let's go! Jump over the lasers. Jump! 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 Oh my gosh, someone came out of nowhere. Jump! Oh my gosh, people are losing. Oh no! Okay, they're getting fast now. Oh! That was like a double one! Oh! Oh! Okay, I don't know how we're surviving. Oh! Oh! Oh no, I lost health. Come on! Alright. Let's go, 2 players, 1. Which is me and this girl. Okay, let's press the button. Complete the obbies to build the snowman. Okay, I'm gonna go for this obby first. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this obby first. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay, I got the snowball. Okay, let's go for this other obby. Get past it. Oh my gosh, I just literally died. Here. Come on. The snowman has been built. Wait, what? What the heck happened? Get ready! Snow buffer! Oh, I killed someone! Oh my gosh, I killed someone! Replay that! Oh, I killed someone! I just literally killed someone. Let me kill this lady. Let me kill you. Come on. Oh! Dude, come on. Okay, this is getting really intense now. Yep, well, that was easy. Come on. Get over here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Let's go. I think I won. A giant volcano. Oh no. Oh, the volcano. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I don't know how we're gonna survive. Oh my gosh. We're not gonna survive. Oh. We are not. Dude, that's too many. Oh my gosh. This is too many. Stop. Yo, stop. Oh my gosh. Vacation. Let's go. I'm gonna play with the ball. Catch ball. The ball. Guys, get the ball. What? Come on, get the ball. Does anyone want to play ball? I love vacation. Delicious. Now let's relax. Oh no, man, it's gone. Watch out! This guy has a bomb! Oh, P died. Oh, but I came back. Find the exit out of the maze. Wait, I can just zoom out my camera. Wait a minute. Maybe it's right here? No, it can't. Yeah. This is gonna be hard. How did they find how to get out? Maybe it can be here? No, it can't be there. Oh my gosh, we're running out of time. We are running out of time. We are running out of time. Oh no. Oh no. Reach the top. Okay, so we have to reach the top without hitting the log. Without touching the log. Jump! I know one's gonna spawn. Jump, jump, jump. Let's go! We made it. Oh, but someone got killed. Ah! It doesn't matter, because I still won. Let's go. Delivery a pizza? Okay, my number pizza is 93. Okay, where's 93? Where's 93? Okay, that's not 93. Oh, there's 93. Let's go. What is this girl doing? She's just standing still. Oh, I didn't realize there was a spin wheel right here. Okay. Oh my gosh. What did I get? I got... Did I get like... enter the castle. Okay, look. Okay, we have to enter the castle. Let's go. Reach the end. Okay. But we have to wait because the lava is rising. Okay, maybe. Okay. Alright. So let's go down there and... Oh, that girl died. Okay, maybe we can go like a little closer. Then maybe. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. Go! Oh my gosh. Come on guys, let's go. Oh no, the girl didn't wait for long. Let's reach the treasure chest. Let's go. I made it. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.